Baba Yara, as I said, is one of our key venues. In fact, historically, we share the contributions of Baba Yara and significant push. The last two World Cups,
Yes.
the final rounds, if it wasn't for that kind of support, energy, the vibe of Baba Yara, Nigeria may have been able to, get one over us. But
The
thankfully,
Nigerians were overwhelmed when they entered the stadium and they saw the crowd.
yes,
That day.
yes, and they will tell you, say, and your crowd no, it's not just crowd no. I'm say energy be ewo. There's they can feel the intimidation
Something at the stadium.
They can feel that, hey, how are we going to, I mean, they can feel something. So there's one thing having a crowd, but there's another one when you feel that psychologically, spiritually, physically, they win. No, it to be a player suddenly becomes confused when he's asking himself, so can we win in this place,
Atmosphere,
at this,
almost
you know,
creating,
then they start even having doubts. And that's an advantage that every home nation wants to have, whether it's at the Santiago Bernabeu or, Nou Camp or Anfield, Old Trafford, Baba Yara. You need that sort of atmosphere which gives you that little bit of extra, advantage over your opponents.
Yeah.